Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to export an XLS or an Excel file from GeoMeasure's Survey Crew. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm on my project screen and I'm going to click on the Export File option. Now within my export fields here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ensure that the format file is the survey point format .xls, which is going to allow me to export this Excel. Once selected, you're going to click on the export option, and this is going to export just about everything related with your coordinates and all of the GPS data. But I'm going to click on export here and choose where I want to save the file. In my case, I'm just going to leave it in the export folder for Survey Crew. And once that's set, I'm going to click on save in the bottom right corner to save my file, at which point I'm ready now to open it in Excel or whatever other program and edit away to my heart's content. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you export an XLS file from GeoMeasure's Survey Crew. And if you have a moment, I please ask you to hit the subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.